Use the Australian Retail Dashboard to explore the growth of the Australian retail sector over time. This dashboard consists of 3 pages. The first explores monthly turnover, the second, overall growth. And you can view the underlying data on the 3rd page. Let's go back to the first page. Use the filters on the left to zoom in on or change values of specific interest. For example, you can select real values, which adjust for inflation. Let's reduce the time period to the last 10 years. You can see the retail sales data contains a seasonal pattern, which peaks each December and is similar across all states. Let's filter by state. In this case, I'll select New South Wales, Queensland, and Victoria, and we can see that New South Wales has a consistently higher turnover than Victoria and Queensland. You can also compare the total turnover for the period on this map. You can also filter by sector and by periods of interest. If we go back to our default time period setting, we can see more options. Let's select the global financial crisis, and this zooms us in between 2007 and 2009. We can also see a corresponding drop in the cash rate and the share market within this period as well. There are 4 metrics that change based on your selection and help to highlight key information in the data. The main feature of the next page is the percentage growth across all sectors. Once again, you can use the filters on the left-hand side to control how you'd like to view the data. If we zoom in on the last 10 years and switch to real values to adjust for inflation, we can see that while most retail sectors have a general positive growth, newspaper and book retailing sales have declined by 49%. The bottom chart features the proportion of sector sales in relation to each other. The last page features the core data that was used in the creation of this dashboard. This main table features turnover by year, by state, and by sector. And the table on the right features the Australian Consumer Price Index, which was used to adjust nominal values for the effects of inflation.